A2-B. This is the story of Yasmine, a young girl who is 10 years old. She lives with her family and goes to school every day. Yasmine likes to learn new things, but school is sometimes difficult for her. She has problems with reading. The words on the page are hard to understand, and she reads very slowly. Because of this, Yasmine is shy in class. She does not talk much and almost never raises her hand. Sometimes, Yasmine feels sad. She looks at her friends who read so well, and she thinks, I am not smart. She worries that she will never be good at school. One day, after class, her teacher, Mrs. Davis, asks to speak with her. Mrs. Davis is a very kind teacher with a warm smile. She sits down with Yasmine and says, Yasmine, I know reading is hard for you right now, but I want you to know something very important. You are smart and you can succeed. You just need a little help and a lot of practice. Yasmine listens very carefully. Her teacher's words are like a small light in a dark room. For the first time, someone tells her she can do it. From that day on, Mrs. Davis helps Yasmine after class. They sit together in the quiet classroom and they read. They start with simple books with big pictures and few words. Mrs. Davis is very patient. She helps Yasmine sound out the difficult words. Let's break it down. She'd say, look at this part first. Yasmine practices every single day. When she gets home from school, her mother sits with her. They read stories together. Her mother points to each word as they read. Meth, making it easier for Yasmine to follow along. Her father also encourages her. You are working so hard, Yasmine, he says. We are so proud of you, little. Something wonderful begins to happen. Yasmine starts to improve. The words are not so confusing anymore. She reads a little faster each day. Soon, she can read a whole sentence without stopping. Then, she can read a whole page. She starts to understand the stories she is reading. She discovers that books can take her to amazing places and introduce her to interesting characters. One morning, in class, Mrs. Davis asks a question about the story they are reading. Yasmine knows the answer. Her heart beats fast. She is nervous, but she remembers her teacher's words. You can succeed. Slowly, she raises her hand. Mrs. Davis smiles and says, Yes, Yasmine. Yasmine says the answer out loud. Her voice is a little shaky, but her answer is correct. Mrs. Davis gives her a big, proud smile. Then, something amazing happens. The other students in the class start to clap for her. Their clapping is a warm and happy sound. For the first time in a long time, Yasmine feels proud of herself. She is not afraid anymore. She gets better at reading. Yasmine becomes more confident. She starts to participate more in class. She even begins to help her friends. If a friend does not understand a difficult word, Yasmine explains it. Look, she would say, this word means ... Double quotes. Her friends start to respect her. They see how hard she has worked. Yasmine really likes going to school now. It is no longer a place of fear, but a place of discovery. She does her homework with pleasure. Every day is an opportunity to learn something new. Of course, she still makes mistakes sometimes. She might misread a word or not understand a sentence right away. But she does not give up. She continues to try. She understands that making mistakes is normal. It is part of learning. At the end of the school year, Yasmine succeeds. She gets good grades on her report card. Her reading level has improved so much. Her family is very happy and so proud of all her hard work. They have a special dinner to celebrate her success. Mrs. Davis is also very proud of her. On the last day of school, she gives Yasmine a hug and says, I knew you could do it. Yasmine smiles a lot now. Her smile is bright and full of confidence. The most important lesson she learned was not just how to read. The most important lesson was to believe in herself. She now knows that with hard work and help from others, she can achieve anything. She even wants to help other students who struggle just like she did. Yasmine has become a good example for everyone in her school. She understands that hard work is the key to success. And now, Yasmine is happy to learn every single day.